Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with another chapter today, that is chapter number 55, The Joy of Flying. You will talk in pairs and pick the right answer about the planes and the flying machines. The options are given here. Read the questions, mark the answers, and we will fill the answers then. So with this, let's now begin the exercise. The first question given over here is, when did the first hot air balloon go up in the sky? And the options are 1873, 1783 and 1387. And it was the year 1783. Moving on to the second question, it says that what kind of engine was put in the first airship? Was it a steam engine, a diesel engine or a battery powered engine? The answer is steam engine was put in the first airship. Then next is number 3. Which airline has been flying planes the longest without stopping? Options are KLM, Aeroflot or United Airlines. The answer is KLM. Then next, moving on to the fourth question, it says, in what year did the first double-decker airplane, the Airbus A380, come out? Was it the year 2015, 2005 or 2007? And the correct answer is 2005. Moving on to the fifth question, we have, in 1919, where did John Alcock and Arthur Brown fly the plane without stopping? What the options are: Andes Mountain, Atlantic Ocean and Europe, and the answer is Atlantic Ocean. Number 6 is, which was the first jet plane that flew passengers and was used by airline? The options are: A is British de Havilland Comet, B is Aeroflot and C is Concorde. The correct answer is British de Havilland Comet. 7th is, in 1970, which company flew the Boeing 747, the first huge passenger plane? The options are Pan Am, Lufthansa and KLM, and the answer is Pan Am. So with this, we have completed the questions on this page. Let's now move on to the next page. So on the next page, they have given you another exercise. They say that see if you can connect each airline with its correct slogan. After you finish, check your score with your teacher. If you could create an airline, what would its slogan be? So they are also asking you for a slogan. If you are going to create an airline, what your slogan will be? This answer you will write on your own, but let's finish the exercise now. The first airways given over here is the Air Deccan, and the slogan for this is Simplify. Then next is Jet Airways. The slogan of Jet Airways is The Joy of Flying. Then the slogan for the Air India is Truly Indian. Then the slogan for Air India Express is Simply Priceless. 5th is Vistara, and for this airline, the slogan of Vistara is Fly the New Feeling. Moving on to the 6th, Spice Jet. As the name indicates about the spice, the slogan of this airlines is Red Hot Spicy. The last one given over here is the Alliance Air, and the slogan of this airline is Connecting India. So these are all the respective slogans of the respective airlines. Now down below, they have given you the images of the airlines also. If you look carefully, they really look very beautiful. Let's read the names and identify the airlines also. So these are the respective planes. This is the Jet Airways. This is Air India Express. This is Vistara. This is Spice Jet. Then we have Air India. Now this is Alliance Air, and this is Air Deccan. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.